Hello there, fellow adventurers. It's Willie, and I'm so excited to welcome you to this journey. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first trip, I know the thrill of travel is something we all share. There's a special kind of energy that comes with exploring new places, meeting new people, and collecting memories that last a lifetime. There's something truly magical about stepping into a new country. The unfamiliar air, the sounds of a different language, the promise of discovery around every corner. Every arrival is a fresh start, a chance to see the world through new eyes and experience life in a way you never have before. I've spent my life chasing that feeling, and I know many of you have too. From breathtaking mountain hikes to wandering through vibrant city streets, every adventure brings its own unique story. And let's be honest, half the fun is sharing those stories with friends and family back home. But let's be honest, staying connected while traveling is essential, not just for sharing photos, but for safety, convenience, and peace of mind. Whether you're navigating a new city, checking in with loved ones, or just looking up the best local eats, your phone is your constant companion. Your phone is your travel lifeline. Maps to guide you through winding streets, translation apps to help you communicate, ride shares to get you where you need to go, and instant messaging to keep you connected to the people who matter most. It's amazing how much easier travel has become with just a few taps. In the past, staying connected abroad meant hunting for SIM cards at crowded airport kiosks, fumbling with tiny trays and paper clips, and dreading those unpredictable roaming charges that could ruin your budget. It was a stressful ritual that every traveler dreaded. It was a hassle that took away from the freedom and spontaneity that make travel so special. Instead of diving into your adventure, you'd be stuck troubleshooting your phone or searching for Wi-Fi. But those days are fading, thanks to a game-changing technology, the eSIM. With just a quick scan or a few taps, you can activate a data plan and get online instantly, no matter where you are in the world. It's like a magic key for instant global internet. Simple, affordable, and incredibly convenient. No more waiting in line or worrying about losing tiny SIM cards, just seamless connection, so you can focus on what really matters, your adventure. So, if you're ready to make your travels smoother and more connected than ever before, let's dive in and see how eSIM works. I'll show you everything you need to know to stay online and make the most of every moment abroad. So, what exactly is this thing called an eSIM, and why is everyone talking about it lately? If you've ever traveled internationally or switched phone plans, you know the hassle of dealing with those tiny plastic SIM cards, losing them, swapping them, or even just trying to fit them into your phone without dropping them on the floor. Well, eSIMs are here to change all that. The E in eSIM stands for embedded, and that's because it's a small chip that's built right into your phone's hardware. There's no need to physically insert or remove anything. Your phone already has everything it needs inside. Instead of fiddling with plastic cards, you simply download a mobile plan digitally, straight to your device. It's as easy as scanning a QR code or tapping a few buttons in your phone's settings. One of the coolest features, you can store several plans at once, maybe your regular home plan plus a travel plan for your next adventure. Switching between them is as simple as toggling a setting, so you're always ready for wherever life takes you. Imagine never having to carry a wallet stuffed with SIM cards again. With eSIM, all your plans are digital, organized, and instantly accessible whenever you need them. The convenience doesn't stop there. You can buy and set up your travel data plan before you even leave your house. No more searching for a SIM card kiosk at the airport or struggling with unfamiliar languages. Just land in a new country, turn on your phone, and activate your eSIM. Instantly, you're connected to a local network. No waiting in line, no paperwork, and no confusion. That means you can use maps to find your hotel, book tickets for local attractions, or video call your family back home, all without worrying about outrageous roaming charges. Plus, you're in control. Compare different mobile plans, pick the one that fits your needs and budget, and switch whenever you want. It's flexibility and freedom, right in your pocket. For today's modern traveler, eSIM is a simple, elegant solution that makes staying connected around the world easier than ever before. Wondering if your phone supports eSIM? Most newer smartphones do. iPhones from 2018 onward, XS, XR, and newer, and many flagship Androids have eSIM built in. To check, go to Settings of Cellular or Mobile Data and look for Add Cellular Plan or Add eSIM. On Android, look in Settings and Network and Internet, SIM Cards or SIM Manager. If you see Add eSIM, you're good to go. Still unsure? Dial *6 If you see an EID number, your phone is eSIM ready. No EID, your phone likely doesn't support it. Always check before buying a plan. It's quick, easy, and saves you hassle later. Ready to move on? Let's pick a provider. Once your phone is eSIM ready, it's time to choose a provider. Top names include Airalo, Holofly, and Nomad, each with unique strengths. Airalo is user-friendly, affordable, and covers over 200 countries, great for first-timers. Holofly offers unlimited data plans, perfect for heavy users or work trips. Nomad balances price and performance with reliable local networks and easy-to-use apps. Compare plans by price, coverage, and data amount. Open their apps, enter your destination, and see what fits your needs. Look at cost per gigabyte and plan duration. Pick what works best for your trip. Now let's see how eSIMs shine in real travel scenarios. Here's where eSIMs prove their worth. Land after a long flight. Skip the airport Wi-Fi hunt. Just activate your eSIM and message family, or book a ride instantly. Exploring a new city. Use your eSIM data to find hidden cafes, navigate winding streets, and discover local gems. Traveling through multiple countries. Buy a regional plan before you leave. Your phone connects automatically as you cross borders. No more swapping SIMs or searching for vendors. In emergencies, your eSIM keeps you connected. Message friends, rebook flights, or find your embassy without relying on public Wi-Fi. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety and peace of mind. Stay independent, informed, and in control. That's the real magic of eSIM. Ready to set one up? Here's how. Setting up an eSIM for your next adventure is much simpler than you might expect. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time traveler, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process so you can stay connected wherever you go, without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards or searching for local stores. Let's get started. First, choose and purchase your eSIM plan a few days before your trip. Most providers offer easy-to-use apps or websites where you can compare different plans based on your destination, data needs, and trip length. Take a moment to read reviews or check coverage maps to make sure you're picking the best option for your travels. After you've made your purchase, you'll receive a QR code, usually by email or directly in the app. You can display this QR code on another device, like your laptop or tablet, or print it out if you prefer a physical copy. Having it ready before you start the setup will make things much smoother. On your phone, open Settings, then tap Cellular or Mobile Data, and select Add eSIM. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code. This step securely downloads your new eSIM profile to your device, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the eSIM profile. The process is straightforward and usually takes about a minute. If your phone asks for a confirmation code, check your email or app for details from your provider. Once installed, label your new eSIM, something like Italy trip or Japan data, so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to use eSIMs for future trips. Keep your home SIM active for calls and texts while using your travel eSIM for data. This way, you won't miss important messages from home, and you'll avoid expensive roaming charges. Before you board your flight, double-check your phone's settings. Don't switch your data to the eSIM just yet. Wait until you've landed at your destination to avoid accidental roaming fees. Once you arrive, turn off data roaming on your home SIM to prevent unwanted charges. Then, switch your cellular data to your travel eSIM. This ensures you're using your prepaid plan and not racking up international fees. Give your phone a moment to connect to the local network. You might see the signal bars increase as your device finds the best available service in your new location. And that's it. You're online and ready to explore your destination with confidence. With your eSIM setup, you can navigate, share memories, and stay in touch, all without missing a beat. Simple, right? Want to save even more? Here are my top tips. Buy only the data you need. Most travelers do fine with 3.5 GB for a week. Use free Wi-Fi for heavy tasks like uploads or streaming. Download offline maps and playlists before you head out. Start with a small plan. You can always top up if needed. Look for referral codes and promotions. Many providers offer discounts. Every bit saved means more for your adventures. Smart planning stretches your travel budget further. Avoid these common eSIM pitfalls. Don't wait until you're abroad and without Wi-Fi to install your eSIM. Do it at home. Always turn off data roaming on your home SIM to avoid surprise charges. Install your eSIM before you travel, but only activate it for data when you arrive. Don't delete your eSIM mid-trip. You can't reinstall it with the same QR code. If you have issues, check your settings or restart your phone. Don't panic. Contact customer support if needed, but don't delete your eSIM until your trip is over. A little prep prevents big headaches. That's it. You're ready to travel smarter with eSIM. This tiny chip means instant internet, less stress, and more freedom wherever you go. It's one of the best travel upgrades, no more SIM swaps or roaming bill shocks. Try it on your next trip, even for a weekend getaway. Once you experience the convenience, you'll never look back. Add Buy an eSIM to your pre-travel checklist. The world is waiting, explore it with confidence and connection. And for more of the best travel tips, visit www.williguru.com. And check out my Amazon Associates links in the description of this video, and get your RFID protection and your eSIM from my link here. Happy travels, and go make some memories.